friends, today I am going to unbox a Pokemon card. Are you excited, friends? If you are excited, please do like, subscribe the channel and share the most. And comment what is the next video you want. So today I am going to unbox a Pokemon card pack, and here this Pokemon card pack is Sword and Shield version, Fusion Strike, and 10 additional game cards. So let's get started. Here are the instructions given here. Here is the barcode, and so let's get started. The first card is Corbat. Second, what's my luck here? 2 gold bats I have gotten in one pack. Yeah. Houndour. Here's spinning Empoleon. Another card, electric type. And Baltoy, a psychic type Pokemon. Snorbro, it's a dark type Pokemon card. So let me show you once again. Dark type Pokemon, psychic type Baltoy, electric type Pokemon, Empoleon, water type Pokemon,